Moving on now to education in New York. A few months ago, we told you how the state education department was considering new graduation standards for high school students. And this week, recommendations for those new standards were unveiled by a special commission. Chantal Destra reports.
The most important work of this board is to get the graduation measures correct. We have to get it right. And we started this work pre-pandemic, and now we are here.
Members of the Blue Ribbon Commission were tasked with coming up with recommendations for graduation measures in New York State. After years of heavy research and mitigating challenges brought on by the COVID-19 pandemic, the time had finally come for its members to present their recommendations after hearing from parents, students, and education stakeholders.
I am beyond excited and pleased to be here today to share the Blue Ribbon Commission's recommendations on future graduation measures in New York State.
The commission shared a refined portrait of a graduate in New York State, along with 12 recommendations to the Board of Regents. The biggest change would do away with the current diploma system that places an emphasis on Regents exams and instead has one diploma with the option of adding seals and endorsements. The commission recommended changing the diploma assessment requirements so that they're not so centered on Regents, but allow students to demonstrate their abilities in other ways.
While the Commission recognized the value of Regents exams as valid, reliable, and efficient assessment for determined student proficiency, by providing assessment flexibility, students could demonstrate content knowledge in a way that best suits their individual strengths and talents.
Some other changes included revising credit requirements, providing access to career learning opportunities, and requiring professional development for teachers. While the Commission has put forth recommendations to the Board of Regents, the work does not end there. The Regents asked how the changes will be put in place, but that is still to be determined and will require input from the department itself. Education Commissioner Betty Rosa closed out the meeting, highlighting the work ahead.
We will go into looking at each recommendation and the implications and the work that has to be attached to it. Some of it is going to have regulatory, financial, so the next step will be focus on the implementation. Thank you.